That's pretty much inside the box. So again, we have Thanos, created by Toylaxy. Verdict of this one, this is well, it's good quality. The detailed, I can say from 1 to 10, 10 is the highest. Well, I can say it's 8. There are you know colored details that mismatch the lining. So it's not, I mean, it's not bad, but it's not 100% pretty good or the good quality. But this is still definitely a recommended product for collection. And by the way, this is a budget collection item. This is not a pricey collection toy. So by the way, the price of this one is 2,750 peso, and I will be including the name and the link of the store where I bought this one, so you can check this item out if you wanted to buy this one. And just a disclaimer, guys, this is not a paid video, so that's all. So I hope you like my video. If you do, press the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you have any question, comments, thoughts, comment down below. Right, guys? Peace out.